this is your first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Guys, this is a little something different. I have received some questions regarding how I made my channel intro, and I realized that there's a gap in the market for this video. So there are a few videos on YouTube on how to make a channel intro. However, it's mainly for iPhone, right? So I'm going to be doing one for Android, guys. You are able to create your own channel intro and for free with Android. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. And if you're interested in seeing how you achieve that, keep on watching.
Okay, so you'll have to start out by going to your Google, searching for a wallpaper. You can then select one that you like and just screenshot it. Another option would be to download a wallpaper app. So you get ones with marble, rose gold, glitter, all those types of things. So I've just gone into the marble app and I've just selected one that I liked, and you just downloaded these. All these apps are free and available on your Google Play Store. So I've opened up my Canva app and you'll be searching for YouTube intro. Just select a blank form. So once you tap on the blank form, you're then able to add an image, and I've selected the wallpaper app that I've chosen. Okay, you then have to go back to Google and type in www.remove.bg. This is an online app that allows you to remove the background of any photo. So I'm just going to select a picture of myself and remove the background so that I can use this picture in my intro. So there you can see it's taken the background away, and I just downloaded. This is also free. I will then press the plus button to add an image, and I'll select the photo that now has no background, so the photo of myself. Okay, I'm going back in at the plus sign and I'll be adding some words. I'm going to choose a font that I like, and I'll be putting in my channel name. So you can place it wherever you want it to be. I'll be going back in on the plus sign and I'll be adding you can choose to add a sticker or a illustration, and I've chosen to do an illustration. And you can search for stars, hearts, whatever it is that you'd like to add over here. So I'm just doing anything that comes to mind just to show you guys how you can make changes over here. So you obviously have to resize it so that it fits on your page. So once you've done this, when you swipe left, you can add another page. And on the next page typically is where I would add my request, whether you're going to ask someone to subscribe or like your channel. So you can then select stickers, and I've typed in the word subscribe. So I'll just choose one of these stickers over here, and it obviously is the animated ones. I'll then be going back in to choose a like, and I'm just grabbing anyone that stands out for me. So this is the call to action that you'll be asking viewers to do. So it's subscribe and like. So this is on your second page of your intro. So next you'll be clicking on the play button at the top of your screen. Here over here you can then select the effect that you'd like to have. So whether you want to slide or block or pan, I would choose to fade. I personally like this one to fade in the writing and the pictures as well. So this is the type of effect it will have once it's done. So I've just downloaded this. So this automatically saves to your gallery. I'll now be going to my editing app. Hopefully you do have an editing app available. I have the paid version of InShot. They do have a free version, and you are able to do this with a free version as well. So I've selected my little clip that we've made. It's 10 seconds long, and I'll just be adding some music to that clip. So I will just be editing the music to make it fade out at the end of the clip. And this is basically the intro that I have created. So once you are happy with the sound, you can save it. Obviously in the highest quality available, and you can then add it to wherever you want to add it, or just save it into your gallery.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I do hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave that for me in the comment section below. You can also follow me on Instagram and send me any questions that you might have over there. And if you would like to see any more of these types of videos, because I am an avid Android user, and I was thinking I can show you guys how to create your own channel art as well. I see a lot of people asking other people to create channel art for themselves and willing to pay for it, but you can actually do this for free. So let me know if you guys want to see a video like that, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Also hit the bell so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.